One of the implementation of a macroeconomic reform in Ethiopia is to address long-standing structural problems, including its allowed foreign exchange, to be determined by the market. It is to be recalled that in accordance with issued directive, the National Bank of Ethiopia has granted licenses to private foreign exchange centers to make foreign exchange services accessible and to develop the country's foreign exchange earnings. These licensed bureaus are also providing services in accordance with the guidelines set. Forex and Forex are among these institutions. Among the many benefits of this economic reform, the heads of the institutions said that it has enabled foreign exchange to be determined in the market.
The macroeconomic reform stimulates the market in the country. One of the benefits of this economic reform is set to decrease competition in illegal trading and foster a more transparent economy. In addition to creating job opportunities for citizens, it stimulates the manufacturing sector and eliminates illegality. The reform is significant for millions of Ethiopians who are engaged in foreign exchange earning sectors.
The
main benefit of this reform is the opening of foreign exchange to be determined by the market, and it plays a critical role in narrowing the gap between the black market and the regulated market. In many regions, the black market thrives due to the lack of access to official currency exchange services. When legal, transparent platforms are established, they provide individuals and businesses with a reliable and trustworthy alternative. This naturally reduces the demand for illegal transactions.
According to the heads, it is necessary to work diligently on awareness raising in order to ensure a competitive business system.
Since we entered to competition, awareness raising is absolutely essential for creating a competitive business environment. When people, both businesses and the consumers, understand the benefits of competition, they are better equipped to make informed decisions. Educating the public and stakeholders ensures that everyone is on the same page about the importance of a fair and competitive market.
For a long time, people didn't have many legal alternatives to banks when it came to exchanging currency, so they often resorted to the black market. The black market thrived because it offered a more accessible, if legal, option for currency exchange. However, now that more legitimate forex trade offices and platforms are being established, there is finally a safe legal alternative. This shift is critical in reducing reliance on the black market. Raising awareness is absolutely crucial. Many people still aren't aware of the legal options available to them. They may not realize that they can exchange currency safely, legally, and at competitive rates without having to rely on the black market.
The beneficiaries of the service also say that the macroeconomic reform has strengthened the public's benefit in various fields.
These reforms have introduced stability, greater transparency, and improved regulatory frameworks that support the growth of legal forex services.
With the introduction of these reforms, the public now has access to more reliable and safer currency exchange options. The legal regulated services we provide reduce the risks associated with illegal markets. These reforms have also increased consumer confidence because they know that the transactions they are engaging in are secure and what the rates they receive are fair and competitive.
It is stated that the public becomes more accustomed to the advantages of legal regulatory services. Those reforms continuing to provide a foundation for long-term economic growth.